Now, a video from inside Chief Minister Kejriwal's residence has escalated the Maliwal assault row. India Today does not vouch for the authenticity of the video. The video is allegedly from May 13th, the day of the alleged incident, after the Chief Minister's personal secretary Bibhav Kumar reportedly attacked Maliwal. The AAP MP can be heard arguing with Kejriwal's security staff who are requesting her to leave the premises. Maliwal in the video dares the Chief Minister's staff to touch her and even says that any further discussion will happen in the presence of cops. Shortly after this video went viral, Maliwal tweeted calling the video an effort by a political hitman to save himself, adding that CCTV footage of the entire incident will reveal the full truth.
Just because you are CCTV, I will do it. आज मैं इन लोगों को सबको बताऊं।
हाँ बता देना वो आपका आइडिया।
आप मेरे को किसी से बात कर रहे हैं
अभी करा रहे हैं। आप आइए ना।
नहीं मैं एसएचओ सिविल लाइन से बात करूंगी पहले।
नहीं हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं अब यही होगा जो करना है करो। और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाऊंगी अगर मेरे को टच किया।
हम भले रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस का, उसके बाद मैं बात करूंगी।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना।
नहीं कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो
होगा। प्लीज कम
मैडम बाहर
प्लीज
उठा के फेंक ना, उठा के फेंक।
हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे। हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
आज फेंक दो।
आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं,
आपके
साथ ऐसा थोड़ा
ये गंजा।
मैडम नहीं आप ऐसे ना बोलें।
Just because you are CCTV.
My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining us live. Shreya tracks the Delhi police for us. Shreya, just put things into perspective in terms of what happens in the investigation now that Swati Maliwal has registered and recorded her statement before a magistrate. How is the Delhi police proceeding forward in this case?
Polmy, with the kind of sections that the Delhi police has actually invoked in the sections of the like of 308, 354B, which intends that the kind of assault that took place on Swati Maliwal was also at an intent to disrobe her. At that juncture, in all likelihood, we will be seeing the Delhi police arresting Bibhav Kumar in all likelihood and also wanting him to come and join the investigation and also what really transpired inside. Now, as I talk right now, the Delhi police team is on its way to reach the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. They will shortly be arriving over here to take the CCTV evidences, if not immediately available, try and understand through which means they could corroborate the same. The other thing is that there are multiple staff who are present over here who are also there on the 13th of May. So their statements will be recorded. So today what we'll initially be seeing is Delhi police coming over here, gathering evidence, trying to piece the entire crime scene of how exactly the thing transpired. So far they have got the statement by Swati Maliwal, based on which they registered an FIR and then subsequently a 164 statement of hers was recorded today. So today Delhi police will finally be arriving at the crime scene, which is the CM's residence, and they will be seizing all evidence required for the further step in the investigation.
Okay, so that's an important piece of information that Shreya is bringing to us right now. Shreya is standing by at the Chief Minister's residence, where the Delhi police is expected to arrive very shortly. We can see in that one video, of course, which is now selectively been put out as well, that has gone viral, Shreya, in that 52-second video, that there were a lot of security personnel who were present with, who, of course, you can see Swati Maliwal arguing with as well. This seems to be allegedly from after the incident took place, which she, of course, claims was a case of assault against her. Now, is it possible that all of these security staff who were seen at that point of time in the video, at least we can see them, they will be questioned as well as the Delhi police arrives?
Well, absolutely, Polemy. Their statements independently will be recorded because they were a witness of what transpired and they were also in a confrontational tone with Swati Maliwal. So they will be the first person to respond of what the entire incident
was. Okay, Shreya, just for a moment, this is what Shreya has been telling us, in fact, through her chat as well, that Delhi police currently is en route to the Chief Minister's residence. So big developments that are expected in this case. Swati Maliwal has already recorded a statement before a magistrate. It's an all-out war between the Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal. Aam Aadmi Party clearly seems to have picked sides in this war. They're standing with Bibhav Kumar. Swati Maliwal, it appears, is going to go ahead with the charges that she's pressed against Bibhav Kumar. Now, the Delhi police is on its way to the Chief Minister's residence. Shreya, over to you.
Well, yes, Paulami, as I was pointing it out, that why it's important for the Delhi police to now investigate the matter by gathering evidence, because that will be a very crucial piece of investigation that will be supporting their entire trial against Bibhav Kumar. Now, we can see multiple CCTVs that are present at the residence outside, and as per Swati Maliwal's version, she stepped out of Arvind Kejriwal's residence on 13th of May on foot and then subsequently took an auto from this very location and went to the Civil Lines police station to speak with the SHO. So all these things that the Swati Maliwal has said in the statement will also have to be independently verified and corroborated by the Delhi police, is why we will be seeing the Delhi police here shortly investigating the entire crime scene and understanding. Now whether that will be a smooth process is something we'll have to wait and watch out for, because this at the end of the day is the CM residence. If there is any difficulty for the Delhi police to also continue their investigation, that will be another case altogether. But Delhi police will come over here very shortly, try and gather evidence in the form of ACCTV, B statements, and also piece together the entire crime scene based on what Swati Maliwal has said in her statement.
Okay. Shreya, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. My colleague is standing by at the Chief Minister's residence. The Delhi police will be arriving shortly at the Chief Minister's residence in order to investigate this matter further. Swati Maliwal assault case has now exploded. Today, Maliwal arrived at Delhi's Tejas Hazari court to record a statement before a magistrate. As she came out from the court after recording her statement, she was seen struggling to walk, visibly limping as she made her way out. Now, this follows an FIR which was lodged yesterday, naming Delhi CM Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar as the accused. In her complaint, Maliwal accused Bibhav of slapping her and kicking her in the stomach, chest and pelvis area, alleging that she was abused without provocation in the Chief Minister's residence, specifically in the living room, the drawing room. She stated that she was released only after repeatedly pleading to be let go. Bibhav has been charged with assault with the intent to outrage a woman's modesty, criminal intimidation and voluntarily causing hurt.
आपको मैं अपने पीछे तस्वीरों में दिखाना चाहूंगा कि दिल्ली पुलिस की एक टीम सिविल लाइंस बिभव कुमार के निवास पर जा रही है। आप विजुअल्स में देख सकते हैं कि दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम है, साथ में महिला पुलिसकर्मी भी हैं। और आप जानते ही होंगे कि बिभव कुमार, जिन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ जो मारपीट वाला मामला है वो तूर पकड़ चुका है, उसी बीच कल स्वाति मालीवाल अपनी स्टेटमेंट भी दर्ज कराती हैं और साथ ही FIR भी होती है। उसके बाद देखा गया कि दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम कल देर रात भी उनके निवास पर आती है। और आप फिर विजुअल्स में देख सकते हैं कि दिल्ली पुलिस की एक टीम है, महिला पुलिस अधिकारी भी हैं, वो विभव कुमार का जो यहाँ सिविल लाइन स्थित घर है वहां पहुंची है। और आप विजुअल्स में देख सकते हैं, हम बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हालांकि मीडिया से जो पुलिस बातचीत नहीं कर रही, और मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा कि पुलिस ने FIR भी दर्ज की थी। देखा गया था कि जो बिभव कुमार थे कल लखनऊ में थे, शाम को देखा गया कि वो अमृतसर में पाए गए और आज कहा जा रहा है कि वो महाराष्ट्र में CM अरविंद केजरीवाल की एक रैली है वहां भी हो सकते हैं। उसी बीच आप देख सकते हैं कि दिल्ली पुलिस की यहाँ टीम आई थी, पर हालांकि जो गार्ड्स ने जो इधर सिविल लाइंस पे जो बिभव कुमार का घर है, गार्ड्स ने दरवाजा नहीं खोला। उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं जो पुलिस की टीम है वो वापस जा रही है।
मैम, आपको लग रहा है कि स्वाति मालीवाल इस वक्त किसी प्रेशर में थी? 4 दिन हो गए उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया, और फाइनली जब स्टेटमेंट दिया तो उनके एक एक्स हस्बैंड है जो कह रहे हैं उनकी जान तक को खतरा हो सकता है। क्या NCW ये सब भी संज्ञान में ले रही है?
ये मेरे ख्याल से प्रेशर तो था ही, पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर, और बहुत जगह से प्रेशर आ रहा होगा उसको, लेकिन ट्रॉमा में भी होगी वो कि ये मेरे साथ क्या हो गया। तो अभी वो उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा उस ट्रॉमा से। मुझे लगता है वो थोड़े दिन में वो फिर वैसे ही शेर की तरह खड़ी होगी और फिर से बात करेगी, लेकिन वो थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। शी विल कम आउट।